G'day, it's Owen from Hawk Engineering. Just going to give you guys a quick start guide to the Avery 640M indicator. To start with, I'll quickly just run through the inputs across the bottom. Over this side here, we've got the 12 volt power supply, and over the far side, we've got the load cell input. Moving on to the keypad. To turn the screen on, we've got the on off button over here. You just press that once, the screen will start up. It'll take us straight to the displayed weight. So just say we've turned this on for the first time. Our bin's empty, but it's showing we got weight. We just need to zero the scale and let it know when the bin's empty. So to do that, over the far side, we've got the zero button. Just press that once and our scale's zeroed. It's probably a good time to go stand out on the bin or get someone to stand on the bin and check you're getting meaningful weight on the screen. We send out the screens pre-calibrated to suit the setup on your bin, but it should be pretty close. If you need to refine the calibration, we need to change a setting called a custom number. The custom number is what we adjust to refine the calibration. There's another setting called the config number, which changes the increment size and also the units, so pounds to kilos. But to change both the custom and the config number, we need to get into the setup menu of the screen. To do that, I'll put some links below on some other videos on how to enter that setup menu and change the custom and the config number. But for now, we'll just have a look at a couple of things on the keypad. The tear button and the GM button can be quite handy. Just say we had this hooked up to a chaser bin and we wanted to unload a set amount into a truck or an air seeder, for example. I've got this hooked up to a load cell simulator so I can put some weight on the screen and give you a bit of a demonstration. So just say we've got it on a chaser bin. We'll add some weight to the bin, fill her up, and then you can use the tear button to have a temporary zero and we can count backwards. Saves us having to remember an odd weight on the screen if we wanted to unload say 3 ton or 4 ton out of the bin. So I'll just hit the tear button. You will notice we've got gross and net here. When I hit the tear button, it'll go to net. And now we can unload a fixed amount out of the bin. So I'll just unload some weight. So we'll go to 4 ton. So now we've done that, we can use the GN button to toggle between what's left in the bin and what we've unloaded. So you'll notice this arrow will go between gross and net. So the GN, that's what's left in the bin, the weight left in the bin. We hit the GN button again, it'll go back to that amount we unloaded. You can do that as many times as you like. So we hit the tear again, you can unload another 4 ton. You might put it into another bin or just want to split it up. So there we've unloaded another 4 ton. We can toggle back to the gross weight, see what's left in the bin. Another thing to note, over the far side you've got kilos and pounds. Like I said before, we need to change the config number if we need to change the units. That's about it for now. To turn the screen off, we've got the on off button again. Just press that once and it'll shut down. That's about it for this video. Thanks for watching.